Myself, Monica. I have pursued my MBA degree from Baba Institute of Technology and Sciences, Vizag, and Finance as my stream. And today we are about to discuss the Aliens Group, which includes the Alien Space Station Township. The founders of the Alien Space Station Township is Harishalla and the Venkatchalla in the year 2004 and 15 years ago in the city of Hyderabad. And coming to the founded, they have served the key people of the Aliens Group, Harishalla, Venkatchalla and the Naveen Maipala. Harishalla is the founder and the managing director, and Venkatchalla is the co-managing director, and the Naveen Maipala is the director of the Aliens Group. And they have used the products of designing, building, construction, infrastructure and etc. The number of employees in the Alien Space Station Township is 550 plus employees. This is the third issue letter of the Aliens Group in the year April 2019. The construction updates of the Alien Space Station. The station-wise construction status and upcoming milestones with photo gallery. And there are many loyalty programs and rewards. Unlock Botanicul rewards and advanced payments, additional payments and referrals. Latest milestones achieved. They have achieved the many milestones in the previous past years. Flat finished work at Station 6. It posed to be completed by mid 2019. And coming to the Station 11, 80% have project completed, and Station 12, 70% has completed. Coming to the Station 5, it is the latest version of the slab undertaking. It is a transfer slab. Station 7, 8, upper basement levels of the project. And coming to the 9 and 10, it's a very draft foundation. And Hyderabad remains only one of the most sought after residential market in primary or luxury. Coming to the square feet, 4050 and the 5550 square feet, and they have sold 25 plus flats per month. And he is the founder of the Aliens Group, Mr. Harishalla. He personally thanks to all of us to continue support and patronage throughout the past years. And he deliberated to share with you that has sailed many significant project milestones in the year 2019. And their massive workforce is comprising 350 employees, 250 site engineers and 600 plus skilled laborers. And they have registered healthy number of 250 to 25 to 30 sales per month. Coming to the square feet, 4950 and 5500 for square feet. And we can search continuous updates on the construction activity of the Aliens Group on FB, Instagram and YouTube. And this is the website for the Alien Space Station Township. Scenario in Hyderabad. Of all the metro cities in India, the city which has continued to attract more and more investment in both resident and the commercial area. And it also despite upheavals in real estate sector pan-India in the city of Perth, Hyderabad. And this is the only major city which has given you high quality ROI. And the property sale has grown up by 32% on average of in the year 2013 to 14 up to 2018. Coming to the decision of the central government to cut GST tax rates from 12% to 5% on under construction houses, as also expected to boost real estate sectors. Besides residential segment in upcoming 3 years, the manufacturing leaders contribute around 36.4 lakh square feet. And according to the state's annual report of 2017 to 18, the Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Department IT exports should drive up at CAGR curve of 16% between and now 2020. And they also should create 4 lakh direct jobs and 2 crores indirect jobs over the next 3 years. Reminder of Alien Space Station Township. and Hyderabad remains one of the affordable resident markets for buyers. And coming to the premium and the luxury, the central consists of only the 5% and the west is only 2%. High end and the mid and central consists of 5% and the west 4%. This is the yearly demand curve and which grows between the 2013 to the 2018. The office witnessed growth in the year 2018 is 12%. It is the lowest rental across top markets in the south. Some drives about the real estate market in the Hyderabad. Currently, the micro markets including Gachibowli, Tellapur and financial listings are the south after areas of the city. One of the fastest developing areas of Hyderabad is Tellapur. And the Alien Space Station township surrounded by the many universities, institutions, schools, colleges, etc. such as IIIT Hyderabad, Indian School of Business, Hyderabad Central University. And it increases interest by commercial players to set up their office spaces in Tellapur. And these are the drives about the Hyderabad real estate. The first drive consists of well-planned existing and upcoming infrastructure. Second drive, presence of quality educational institutions. The third drive, proactive government policies. Coming to the fourth, availability of skilled talent. And last, established technology hub. Strengths of the Alien Space Station. And the demand and sales of on or average 10% on annual basis. And it also forecasts a growth rate of 15 to 90% of CAGR for every year in the year 2019, which has led to the land price of 5,223 square feet to 7,000 square feet. Review of the Station 6 flat. This is the interior design of the Station 6 flat. Owing to its unique position, it is the S-shaped space. Residential towers in the Station 6 provide an uninhibited 250 degrees view in the natural lake. Status of the Station 6. The structural work of the Station 6 has been completed and flat finishing ongoing from 4th floor to 10th floor. Flat finishing due for completion Q2 in the year 2019. And the flats consists of the French windows. It immerses your flats with ML sunlight and enhances your sense of space by blurring the boundary between exterior and the interior, the both ways. It is essential to feel completely relaxed at home while you look forward to a productive day. The vertified tiles used in the flooring gives a modern look, and they also require the less maintenance thanks to their durability. And they also argue the considering option for a customized interior design package. And an expert interior design team is eager to engage with you for notice for the requirements. And this is the complete interior design of the Station 6 flat. This is the recap of the year 2008 of Alien Space Station Township. It has been in the year 2018 accumulation of worldwide of activities of the Space Station Township. The construction milestones has started in the stations Station 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and also have swiftly accomplished with the Station 14. Witnessed a steady stream of finished flat handovers. The site has also turned into a joyful venue for the involving township residents and the office employees. Coming to the new developments, they are happy to share the views. Gonapalli Tanda to Kollur Radial Road. The 6th lane, the 120 feet radial road connecting Space Station Township to Outer Ring Road is under construction and is powered by the completely by quarterly in the year 2019. The another road connectivity from Lingambally to Tellapur via Gachibowli, Nalanda flyover is currently being widened and modernized. And these are the location ways of the Alien Space Station Township. A place where everything is within reach. This is the location map for the Alien Space Station. Starting from the outer ring road, there are only 4 kilometers. From 4 kilometers to the Alien Space Station and 22 kilometers from the Shamshabad International Airport and 16 kilometers for schools and other universities, colleges, etc. And location views. From Gachibowli 5 minutes and HCV institutes and other many universities 5 minutes and outer ring road 7 minutes. From Space Station Township to High Tech City 10 minutes, International Airport 20 minutes. And some construction updates about the Alien Space Station Township which is internally occurred. Here is the status of ongoing construction updates. Coming to the Station 5, it is progressing smoothly and transferable flat. Coming to the Station 6, it is flat finishing activities, which is the construction is completely ready and it consists of 30 floors. The Station 6 consists of the first floor to the 10th floor. Coming to the Station 7 and Station 9, both the stations are upper basement levels of the Space Station Township. They both consist of the 30 floors. Ongoing work with the concrete work done. Coming to the Station 9, it has been started on war footing and raft foundation work is close to complete. Station 10, it has a completely raft foundation work paced towards the work has commenced. Coming to the Station 11 and 12, both are ongoing rapidly concrete work which is completed till 23rd floor and 25th floor. Both the station consists of 30 floors and Station 11 consists up to 25th floor and the Station 12 from 16th floor to 23rd floor. And they have highlighted the popular flat upgrade options as shared by the residents. The copper wire fittings, corridor gate, smoked glass and builds, double heighted car parking, utility window, child safety shield. Coming to the copper fittings, they avoid unnecessary repairs, prerequisites for AC setup. Corridor gate, they have constructed for extra private corridors, added layer of security. Coming to the smoked glass and slides, private space and ultra modern interior, smoked glass is perfect answer. And utility window, it keeps the area well ventilated and the moisture free, dry clothes, etc. Coming to the double heighted car parking, more space for your guest, advanced hydraulic system. Coming to the Aliens Group brochure, the Aliens Group has founded by Harishella and Venkatchella in the year 2004. The Aliens Group includes Alien Space Station Township, residential skyscrapers at 120 meters. Currently, it is the 5th tallest building in the city, Hyderabad. Notable projects includes Aliens Valleys, Aliens Villas, Aliens Township, etc. Coming to the Space Station Township, it completely consists of 20 acres in the Tellapur, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Only the 4 acres were used for the construction, remaining for the swimming pool, restaurants, pubs, gyms, etc. And coming to the Station 14, it consists of 6 towers, 83 flats. Coming to the Station 14, it consists of 6 towers, 83 flats and overall 2182 flat apartments in the Space Station Township. In the one floor, one flat concept, the 9th station consists of helipad and they also gives the offers 2 BHK, 2 plus 1 BHK, 3 BHK, duplex and sky villas, etc. The parking range is Coming to the parking range, it has the hydraulic with basement 1, 2, 3, and the total floors of the Alien Space Station Township is ground floor plus 29 floors. Overall project, they are hiring for the Sky Villas. Building inspiring spaces. They have located and they served area the pan India. Coming to the some cities, London, Singapore, New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, and they are defined the urban living in the world conscious. Experience all this and more at Alien Space Station in Tellapur, 30 floors of intelligence living. The ambience of the 5-star hotels, features that help you to maintain peace respect. This is the overall project of the Alien Space Station Township. It consists of S-shape. It has completed the 80% of area consisting of 14 stations, and each and every station consists of 6 towers and the 83 flats. And the 9th station consists of the helipad, and each and every building consists of 30 floors. It is the heart of the city Hyderabad. And also it is constructed by the Quality Constructions, prime location, aspect appeal, functional design and optimum use of space, whereby the every apartment is a result of Mendes planning apartment. It incorporated best practice, and it is incorporated best practices to a structured quality measures as per the ISO norms and 700 quality checks starting from incoming raw materials, check to hard over the flats, where every year it has the basement plans with the different floors to choose. It also covered by the natural lake and including clubhouse, greenery garden, swimming pools, indoor and outdoor stadiums, etc. and many more facilities. The funding, coming to year by year, the Aliens Group has raised fund the 200 crores. Living in a new world. The space station is a world in its own, a world which blends the need for being in the middle of it as much as getting away from it all. In contemporary design with maximized glass uses and the glass fades, give space station in the year 21st century. It is the big glamour to the apartments. It all the more closer to the ambitious to the push hotels. And this is the overall view of the project, Alien Space Station Township. Some awards and recognitions are owned by the Alien Space Station. And Cityscape Awards from the Real Estate Asia in the year 2009. This is to certify that space station is only the one Aliens Developers Private Limited, and achieved that the status of highly commended for the category of best residential development in the future. Alien Space Station has been highly commended as one of the top 3 projects in the best residential development. The future category in the City Space Asia 2009 held in the Singapore. The City Space Asia is an international real estate investment development event which represents the prestigious Cityscape Award. In coming to the other, IGBC, Indian Green Building Council, which was satisfied by the Alien Space Station, and it has achieved the perfection under the IGBC, the greenhouse rating. The IGBC means Greenhouse certified the platform in September 2008. The Platinum pre-certification by Indian Green Building Council for the Alien Space Station is the Alien Space Station. It is the most eco-friendly buildings in India. It also rates building based on the more than 50 parameters. 80% of open area efficient water management, efficient garbage management and energy saving equipment are just some of the lectures that makes living in the Alien Space Station one healthier and the less experience. There are the few awards and recognitions awarded by the highly commended and the best brand use architecture. Coming to the highly commended Apartment India, Alien Space Station by Aliens Group, and coming to the second mixed use development India, Alien Space Station. The Mixed Use Architecture India also award owned by the Alien Space Station by Aliens Group. Winners of the three prestigious international property awards from 2012 to 14. International property awards from Lucknow, London, UK, selected from the 200 participants from India and 600 participants from the Asian countries. And this is the another platinum award from owned by the London. It is a Quality Crown Award. Winners of the Quality Crown Award is the amongst from the participants from 117 countries. The Aliens Group has been awarded from the Golden category. Project overview of the Aliens Group, and it consists of driving range and putting green, amidst the natural lake, pistol shooting range and cricket practice nets, jogging and bicycle track, indoor and outdoor stadiums, indoor swimming pools and internal and external facilities, helipad, dropout point, gate numbers. They have the both internal and external routes and have the both entry and exit gates of 7 corridor gates, and commercial water, malls and multiplex, clubhouses, restaurants, terrace, etc. and many more. And it also gives the opportunities to the customers 2 BHK, 2 plus 1 BHK, 3 BHK and duplex. The total number of apartments of Alien Space Station is 2182 apartments. The apartment options from 2 BHK 1122 square feet to 1402 square feet, 2 plus 1 BHK 1344 square feet to 1432 square feet. Coming to the 3 BHK 1344 square feet to 2208 square feet. Coming to the duplex 3569 square feet to 5636 square feet. Sky Villas, it is the most highest square feet 4945 square feet to 7674 square feet. The total land coverage is 80% of open area, 14 stations, 83 towers, 30 floors. It completely has covered the 80% open area consisting of 14 stations, 83 towers with 30 floors. It is the heart of the city Hyderabad. It is the inspiration often a function of location. It is the heart of the new Hyderabad. Space Station. It is located in Tellapur. It is served by the railroad and the air link across the rest of the country. And major MNCs such as Wipro, Infosys, Microsoft and the world-renowned institutions such as HCU, IIIT, ISB are in close primarily major source to the Space Station Township. Project location connectivity. Recent radial road development at site which consists at Gachibowli to ORR passing in front of the space station. The 100 acres development will have Apple India officer in their commercial space. And these are the latest developments of the Alien Space Station Township. 125th Railroad was announced when the work was started, which was connected Gachibowli and outer ring road by a space station. This will improve connectivity and the project value. Latest development: Apple, Microsoft, Google, Accenture, Infosys, IBM, Amazon, Dell, etc. Overview of the project. The experience of the urban paradise, where the first days of the morning sun brights your day, where the layers of the cooler air rejuvenates you after a long day. When stunning panoramic view takes you a different world, the space station makes you a whole. And interiors of the apartment. This is the living room. The living space is designed inspired by the modern architecture, creating it as a contemporary and the supremely livable. The features of the living room is abandoned glass uses, the French windows, balconies with spectator views, touchpad. This is the internal view of the kitchen. That space station, we want your space to be just the way you want it. We choose colors and fittings that shape the distinctiveness of each individual. The fittings are set perfectly with high quality, modular designer kitchens, etc. with the stainless proof. Features: the centralized LPG cooking gas connection, breakfast counter table, stainless steel sink, and the drain board, granite platform, along with wall cladding up to the 2 feet above platform with bell or equivalent files. Wet area for washing utensils. Stylish, personable, and private bedroom. In bedroom, comfort is essential when so much of life is spent in around the bedroom. The relaxation lighting and the space, easy access, generous design webboards, and they have used the careful design. The bedrooms at Space Station have been created keeping total relaxation in the mind. There are many key features of the room: the remote control switches, the TV points, and the telephone in the master bedroom. The speculated windows often led to the individual balconies. And coming to the bathroom, it have been fully specified with the fixtures and the fittings. With the high quality tiling, marble facings, the luxury fixtures, and the some stunning extras have been included to pamper for the senses. The key features in the master bathroom is false ceiling, handwear, parryware of equivalent equity showers, fixed bathtub by Bath essentials, stainless steel towel rails as standard fixture. This is the overview of the overall Sky Villa. The internal swimming pool. Interior package. A key and your home is ready to move. With interior package as well. The designer touch, the elegance and the sheer sensation of a contemporary and the silk home take. The expertise of our experienced interior design panel with support of our the care team to coordinate. Interior design package also having the many options, and it includes planning to execute, false ceiling with the design lights, modular kitchen with electric cimmery, and wardrobes and cardboards, wooden flooring in the bedroom, texture paint or walls, and it according to the walls painting is according to the option taken by the customer. The dishwater, front loading, washing machine, dryer for the 3 bathroom apartments. The 3 fitted split ACs, 3 fitted fit ACs for 2 BHK, 2 plus 1 BHK, and 4 for 3B, and 4 fitted ACs for the 3 BHK apartments. The Alien Space Station has the several options like contemporary options, natural options, and the bespoke options. In the contemporary option, this is the living room and the master bedroom, dining room, internal swimming room, and bathroom, which consists of the granite floor and the wineless glass. Coming to the natural option, and it also consists of living room, the master bedroom, dining room, and the balcony with the internal swimming pool. And it also brightened the lighting into the living room and each and every room. And also coming to the bespoke option, it also consists of each and every activities which related to the individual rooms. This is the extraordinary view of the Sky Villas of the Alien Space Station Township. This is the extraordinary view of the Sky Villas, which includes the Alien Space Station. It consists of the ground floor plus the 29 floors surrounded by the natural lake with the greenery garden. And the ninth station we have the own helipad. It is a true extraordinary living. Hot on the heels of the apartments, it is the outside ambience seamless blending of the modernization of the apartments with rest of the community. Compared to the other apartments, it is the best option to the choose. Advanced home automation highlights, which includes the internally to the each and every individual flat. Your home alien space is blended by the beauty and the brains. It is designed like a mobile phone to make the life easier. no head scratching, crisis for the help. And coming to the interfaces, we offer a variety of in-user disco interfaces to drive your system like TV remote, laptop, computer and the home theater's touchscreen, etc. Coming to the AV, from the speaker points to the audio switches, the iPad docks to the media players, advanced facilities at space station. And the climate. There is a climate temperature option in the apartments. Climb your monthly bills as easy your eco conscience by automatic systems. Lightning. Dimmers and the switches easily replace existing the light switches or plug into outlets to offer. A touch of your finger brings you a sensitivity, convenience and the comfort. Now coming to the home automation, let's do you more. Imagine being able to play your favorite DVD and then turn on your air conditioner just by sitting on your touch and tapping on a touch screen and unlock your life with latest technology. Enjoy the most advanced lock and release all your worries. Unlocking. Coming to the fire and glass alarm alerts. Did it turn off the gas if your gas breaks out and burns down my house? Finally, you can leave them behind these nagging thoughts that hunt you wherever you are away from the home. Program using email notification agent. A security trick to the house notified of the broken windows. The drop downing and the motion plan away mode. The templates that you define the subject the security alert. Fixtures and the fittings internally in the kitchens, bathrooms like wash basins near to the dining rooms, etc. Each and every contemporary apartment is set in fittings and the fixtures. The apartment quality standards or unpredicted quality standards are maintained. Attention to detailing and routing it with the rest of the ambience will create absoluteness. Flat enhancement options. Option number 1. It is a full-size UPVE windows, bigger main doors, private corridors along with designer gate, the glass railing in the balcony. Option 2. It also consists of full-size UPVC windows, the performance glasses, glass railing in the balcony, emulsion paints, the digital switches, the private corridor along the digital gate, utility glass door, false ceiling. And the option 3. The full-size UPVC windows also consists in the option 3. The performance glass railing in balcony, the bigger main door, the 8x4 size. All the doors are mail and polish doors. The emulsion paintings, digital switches, private corridor along with the glass walls, the cement based putty, utility glass points, etc. They have saved the greener energy. Greener, greenest. The green building saves money, energy, planet. A green building uses the less energy, water and the natural resources, creates the less waste and the healthier for the people living inside compared to the other buildings. It also consists of abundant sunlight, healthy environment, energy efficient appliances, accessible to physical challenge, efficient water uses, electric car charging facility, abundant greenery, etc. The Alien Space Station, the residential project in Hyderabad and one of the most amongst the first in India to receive Green Building Platinum pre-certification by Green Building Council IGBC in September 2008. And what is the green building? It uses the less energy, water and natural resources which creates the less water and the healthy environment to the people. And why go green? The operational savings which includes consume sustainability, energy, water, vice versa in the conventional buildings. And the bottom line of the benefits which consists and it begins from saves up to 30% of energy and also the saves up to 50% of fresh water drilling, 70% of less air pollution, 30 to 40% more efficient than by normal building. Lifestyle of the benefits. It improves indoor air quality, environment natural quality, health benefits. Green health and well-being of Auckland's non-polluting international airport. Social benefits. Enhanced community sustainability, efficient parking system. Environment benefits. Coming to this, it is very important to the each and every individual. The optimized site development, use of renewable energy. Coming to the economic benefits, effective building management system, less utility bill payments. The green building, the project checklist of the alien space station, the site selection and the planning, from the local building regulations to the greenhouse guidance, design and the post occupancy. And coming to the water efficiency, rainwater harvesting, water efficient pumping pipe, the landscape design, management of irrigation system, wastewater treatment, rainwater harvesting, etc. This is the overall view of the Sky Villas. It is the external swimming pool which includes the overall project, and this is the jogging way and which feel relaxed to feel the fresh air, and we can conduct any cultural activities and organize any events behind it. Beside the outdoor swimming pool, the clubhouse is constructed. It is constructed for sports, relaxation to fun, and also the clubhouse consists of yoga and meditation hall, the AC service room for the guest, business center for the some executive features, and the banquet hall and multi-purpose hall to cater get-togethers and the other occasions. This is the outdoor extraordinary view of the Sky Villas, which consists of the greenery garden and the outdoor sports stadium. It is the mini golf driving range, tennis court, kids playing area, kids fun pool, skating ring, jogging track, and many more facilities which surrounded by the Sky Villas. The indoor stadium consists of the table tennis, shuttle court, carrom board game, AC gym, squash court, yoga and meditation center, basketball court, swimming pool. These are the Aliens malls which included in the Aliens Villas. The perfection of the art, who you are. It also consists of banks, ATMs, multiplex theatres, cinema theatres, and the service apartments, books, stationery, general stores, the supply stores, salons, other outlines. This is the helipad, which consists of in the station number 9. The station number 9 also consists of 29 floors plus the ground floor. The hydraulic traffic management system, chip instructed vehicles with automatically release the bottom reliever, and the eco-friendly electric barges to ferry the young and old. The multi-level car parking system, 7 entry. Each and every apartment of the Sky Villa has the 7 entry and the exit gates. External road network. The external road surrounding the development are 4-lane undivided dual carriageway to the north and 2-lane undivided dual carriageway to the east, and the 2-lane dual road which was consist of 100 feet road in the future. The Hyderabad are dependent on the future department of the roadways. It can assume that the 3-lane and the 2-lane roads will be witnessed when the proposed development is fully operational. These are the figures which was developed by the Aliens Villas. This is the space station major dimensions, the AM part from the assessment to the volume, is the PM part to the value to the assessment development of traffic. What is trip assessment? Based on the estimated trip distribution, the hourly peak traffic generated by the proposed development on the external function and the proposed access points during AM and PM peak was suspended. What is trip distribution? The alien space station consists of the trips distribution between the roads. The first is located in Hyderabad. Based on the distribution of different land uses discussed previously, the forecast vehicle traffic distribution from the residential development to the major employment zones. This is the master plan of the alien space station. Alien space station, which consists of Aliens Villas and the Sky Villas, which consists of greenery gardens and surrounded by the natural lake, outdoor and indoor swimming pool. Every 5 floors there will be a pocket gardens. Total 7 entry and exit gates of the each and every apartment. Alien space station is the 33rd apartment in the Aliens group. It is a S-shaped structure. With a superior and the conventional building. It is structurally designed as international norms. The 5-feet draft foundation and the transfer slabs. Each basement is 17 feet length for all the three basements. The each and every apartment consists of the 3 basements, basement 1, basement 2 and the basement 3. And they are also consists of some recreational zones. In the 17th floors, these are the sky gardens, which consists in the 17 floors. The pumping concrete in the 120 meters, and it also maintains ambient temperature and critical. They have used the recent technology. Coming to the square feet, there is 7,473 square feet restaurants, indoor swimming pools. Indoor swimming pool consists of 3,269 square feet and also the outdoor swimming pool. And multipurpose halls consists of 9,456 square feet. Also having the multi-level basement car parking. And the car parking has the 3 basement steps. It also having the process specification with a graph foundation. The structure is called the superstructure in the Aliens group. There are many levels in the master plan of the Alien Space Station Township. It consists of disciplinary classes and the pumping tubes, the granite floors, etc. and the many features included in it. Where the next level of the master plan of the Alien Space Station is the roof plan. The master plan option 2 is the zoning of the diagram, which consists of the commercial zone. Coming to the next level, it shows the sports and activities and other roadways and the security point. It is the main curriculum and the sub-curriculum which links to the lift course. And this is the jogging track internally, which includes. This is the level plan of the Alien Space Station. This is the typical section 1, 2 and they both are outsourcing. And the CSR initiative for the Tellapur Lake development is restaurant dock, AC restaurant bar, and the open to sky party zone, indoor park, dot peak, etc. Landscape elements, which consists in the Aliens Villas. The lightning, sculpture and the furniture. It gives the more lightning towards the view. This is the sculpture events. The furniture, which includes in the Aliens group. Landscape plan. It consists of Gulf area, planting terrace area, main entrance area, bamboo corridor, suspended lobby area, parks, driving area, swimming pool. Structural advantage. The main elements which is generated in the S-shaped structure. Alien Space Station is a 30-floor high-rise apartment. Geographical advantage. In terms of global orientation, that is any situation, sudden deviation An earthquake or seismic factors will not affect the structure. It is a fully secured structure. Space station is structurally designed as per international norms. Ventilation. The S-shaped structure gives such as apartment uniform air to each and every flat and wind of 3 sides. Raft foundation and the transfer slab. Transfer slab is the recent technology they have used in the station number 5. Normal slabs. Compared to the other apartments, normal slabs independently distribute loads to beams and columns to transfer loads to to the horizontal direction. But the transfer slabs transfer only the given load intensity from one location to the another location instead of transferring the load directly to the ground. It is horizontally distributed weight and gradually transfer it to the ground. Coming to the raft foundation, it is an isolated footing, uses individual foundation and it transfers the loads to the earth. In the foundation wherein a single mass takes the load and distributes it uniformly over a overall area to the earth. Latest technology construction. The pumping concrete is 120 meters. It's not a easy job. It's not water. Maintaining ambient temperature is critical. The wind is not customarily associated with the hot weather, for example, but it is an important factor because the wind accelerates the curing process in combination with temperature, humidity and the solar radiation. It affects preserve concrete quality on windy, sunny days and the critical and those required on calm, humid days and the ambiguous air temperature are identical. This is the overall space station township, which consists of the normal culture towers identity from station number 1 to 1, 2, 3 and followed by the station 14. This is the natural lake. This is the super view from the space station township. And each and every station consists of the many towers, 6 towers from the each station and 83 towers from the individual flat. The first one is the driving range and the putting green. Second one amphitheatre, 4 pistol, 3 lake, 9 infinity swimming pool, 10 landscape area, 7 commercial towers or the multiplex malls, 8 clubhouses, 5 jogging track, restaurants, 13 spa and the 14 is indoor swimming pool. Coming to the phase 1, the each and every station consists of the elements. The first element Atlantis, the second Soyuz and followed by the complete station 4 consists of Cassini. Coming to the stage 2, it consists of the commercial towers. This is the overview of the phase 1. The identification of the towers from the station 1 to the station 14. This is the station 9 which consists of the helipad. This is the natural lake. The indoor swimming pool. The greenery garden. This is the station number 1 tower 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to the station 14. The station 5 consists of the transfer slab. And the structure of the sky villa consists of the S-shaped structure. You can find the super view of the city from the sky villas and surrounded by the greenery garden. Compared to the other apartment, it's the best option to the choose. In presentation, I can give the overview of the city, what to look for in the real estate sector. And we obviously look for the location, loans and clear land title, security, accessibility, water and air, asset management service. Coming to the location, a locality with a good roads, modes of transport, internet connections, connectivity, etc. And coming to the loans and the clear land title, we have to invest in the retail who has tie-up for the home from a trustee worth bank. And coming to the security, the option for the gate communities which provides the 24/7 securities. Accessibility, a place where the basic needs such as supermarkets, grocery stores, the food courts, provision stores, pharmacy, etc. The water and air facilities. The house project with 24 hours water supply, greenery, open lawns and the fleet of space. A project which meets the stringent standards of healthy lifestyle certified by the many institutions, just like IGBC, Indian Green Building Council, which was given the certification for the Alien Space Station by Aliens Group in September 2008. Coming to the asset management service, they have to take care of all home utilities when you are away on an overseas deputation. You rent it out. A house project with project management services, it makes it easy for you. These are the some project specifications by the Aliens Group. Foundation. Obviously, we know that the foundation is reinforced concrete at the raft foundation superstructure. It consists of RCC sheet walls. Framed structure is completely in S shape. They introduced at the level 1 to have the more column free space, unhindered view at the ground level. Coming to the walls, the external walls, reinforced shear wall. Coming to the internal walls, the shear walls and the solid cement concrete blocks, precast concrete members. Roof, it reinforces the concrete roof with appropriate waterproofing whenever applicable. Ceiling finishes. What about the ceiling finishes? First one, living in the dining room, family study, kitchen, balcony. Coming to the B, the bathroom, the power room. And C, utility maid room. For the common area, A, lift lobby, designing ceiling smoothing finished. Coming to the B, basement car park. The car park consists of the 3 basement levels. Basement level 1, basement level 2 and the 3. Coming to the C, stair car, corridor and the fire refuse area, and it finished with the oil-borne dispenser and the dry dispenser. Wall finishes for all the apartment types, living, the dining room and the bedroom. And coming to the other utility rooms and the C, common lift lobby for all the individual flats. Coming to the common area, an entrance lobby and the lift lobby, natural stone cladding and homogeneous lift cladding. It also textured painted with the oil bound the dispenser. Common area, a lift lobby and the natural stone cladding, homogeneous with oil bound dispensers. B, staircase, neatly finished with dry distemper. Coming to the last, it's a driveway, car park and the ramp concrete service. And the flooring. For all the apartment types, the granite flooring is the common. Coming to the common area in the flooring, corridors homogeneous tile and the cement tile by Nicton. Did you know there are many amazing facts about the Aliens Group? The first one, the basement area of the Alien Space Station is 1,51,000 square meters, which is equal to the 30 FIFA football stores. And coming to the second, the length of the corridor in the Alien Space Station is 45 kilometers, which is equivalent to the 9 laps of the Formula 1 track. Coming to the third, the number of doors at Alien Space Station is 5 times more than the White House. And the other one is it already consumed more than 95,000 cubic meters of concrete, which is more than the concrete used in foundation work with the world's tallest tower, Burj Khalifa. And coming to the other, the length of cables used at Alien Space Station is 2,600 kilometers, which is equivalent to the distance between Hyderabad and the Dubai. And the other amazing fact is it is the amount of steel being used in Alien Space Station is 4 times more than what was used to build in the Eiffel Tower. And it takes courage to promise and deliver an incredible mix of path-breaking property, development and uncompromising quality. It is headquartered in Hyderabad. The group was founded in the year 2003. Has grown exponentially in the past 5 years, promoting modern, innovative and intelligent living spaces. An enterprising and the proficient team. The group is headed by the dynamic Geo Harichella Venkatchella, who were charted as a part of creating townships with unpredictable levels of forms functionally and eco-substantially. Today, the Aliens Group is recognized for developing exclusive and unique townships with satellite cities in promoting localities of Hyderabad. It grabs the unique advantage of having global reach and is crashing on this by adopting global real estate. The standards of inviting the participants from the international experts of the group is design, construction, management, infrastructure, etc. Coming to the Aliens Valley, it's situated in the Gonampalli, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. And the features of the Aliens Villas and the Aliens Valley. Apartment features. The French windows with floor glass for the balcony, wherever designed. The modern switches, water gas connection. There are many more features instructed in the Aliens Valleys. Coming to the Aliens Villa. Features of the Aliens Villa. Split level flooring, water softener, terrace gardening, layouts designed as per Vastu, servant room with attached toilet, RO system for the drinking room, modular switches, car garbage parking, etc. and many more. These all are about the Alien Space Station Township, which includes Aliens Villas, Aliens Valleys, etc. And please do visit for your successful life. Thank you.